So you just want to trying to know how to set a sleep timer on your ONN Roku 4K Smart TV so the TV turns off automatically while you are watching something. Let's see how you can do it. So first you have to grab your remote and go to settings on your Roku TV. Next, just scroll down and go to System. Inside here, go to Time and you will find the option called Sleep Timer. So now you have to know the settings. You will see several preset timer options like 30 minutes, 1 hour, 1.5 hours, or many more options. But Roku doesn't allow custom timing, so you have to pick one of the preset options. So once you select a timer, your Roku TV will automatically schedule when it will turn off. So you can see the time from here. So now just go back to watching your show. So when your timer is almost up, you will see a small message at the bottom of the screen saying your TV will turn off in 1 minute. So if you want more time, you can extend the sleep timer right from the pop-up by choosing a long duration. So that's it. So this feature is actually super helpful when you are watching at night and don't want your TV running all night. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.